We're just gonna start with the makeup first, just because it's the easiest. And this one is from MAC. So I did do quite a bit of shopping while they had the Black Friday sale. You know, they had all these Black Friday sales and whatnot. And this is my MAC mineralized charge water, which this is a staple of mine that I have been using. I actually have another package just missing from MAC, and I'm gonna need them to go ahead and ship that to me. But I wanted to get some of my MAC mineralized charge water, just because this is like one of my favorite, outside of now my Pond's, but this is like one of my favorite moisturizers. And this stuff is expensive. So MAC had, I think, like a 40% off sale or something like that. So I went ahead and I picked these up while they were on sale, because child, MAC is expensive. The next package that we got is Beauty Bakery, and they also had a sale too. So all of this stuff was purchased for Black Friday except for the SHEIN. I did a poll on Instagram asking y'all if y'all wanted to see another Fashion Nova, SHEIN, Target, or Walmart haul. So Target and SHEIN won. So I picked this up, or I ordered it a while ago, and it came in, I think, last week sometime. So from Beauty Bakery, I had got these blending eggs because, again, they were on sale. And I wanted to get these. There's 6 in a pack, and I think it was like the price of one beauty blender. So I'm hoping that it's a good investment. If not, I'm gonna be very upset, because you guys know that I was telling y'all in my Sephora haul. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check that out. I was telling y'all in my Sephora haul that the Sephora VIB sale, that I ended up getting 3 for the price of, I think, 2. So yeah, I picked those up. Then I also picked up a lippy from Beauty Bakery, and it is this chocolate color, or is it purple? I don't know what color this is, but I went ahead and I picked this up. So like, it's like a purple. The color is She's Just Jelly. So I picked up this really deep plum purple lippy. And then, like I said, these are just the little egg blenders. I'm wondering why one of them is in packaging and the other one's not. Okay, Beauty Bakery, we gotta do better. But oh, because this is the black. So I got some in black, and they're kind of standard, just like the regular standard beauty blenders. I got a set in black, and then I got a set in the different colors. So I won't open up these, but that's what this is. And then my hair keeps falling down. This is like a sit down tutorial. Let's go with SHEIN. So I'm not gonna go in full detail as to what I picked up from SHEIN, just because I will be doing a full on try on haul for you guys, as well as a lookbook with the items that I picked up. But I got quite a few things. Honestly, I don't even remember what I got. Let's see, I'm gonna just open up a couple of things with y'all. What is this? This is just a hoodie that I got, a really oversized hoodie, and it says baby girl on the front, because everybody calls me baby girl for some reason. I guess because I'm the baby of the family. But yeah, I picked this up and I'm gonna style this with some things. So we got that. I like this little bag that it comes in. I'm gonna end up putting it on a hanger though. I ended up buying some new hangers from Sam's. So I'm gonna put all that on the hanger. I think this is probably I think this is a dress. So this is a dress. And like I said, I will be showing you guys all of this stuff in a try on fashion haul. So this is just a bunch of stuff that I got from SHEIN. This one, my best friend had on like this shirt she got from Walmart, and I thought it was cool and really cute. So I ended up picking up like a 2-piece set in that same print. Hers was a little bit darker than this, but I went ahead and I picked this up. I'm super excited about this. I don't know why, but I got some boots. Girl, this is like a skirt set. Yes, ma'am. I cannot wait. I'm gonna show y'all the boots that I picked up from Fashion Nova. So that was that I picked up from SHEIN. And so it's a bunch of stuff in here that I got. But be on the lookout for the SHEIN haul. I'm gonna try and get that out for you guys at the top of next week because I need to figure out how I want to do that. And then for the boots that I was, so this is just Fashion Nova. I mean, y'all, let me tell y'all. So this item is a 2-piece set, which I had already purchased. It's in my closet. And I'm trying to say to myself, like, I know I have this already. I know I do. So when I opened this up, realizing what it was, when I looked at when they sent me like my shipping and delivered notification, when I looked in the closet, I looked on that and I was like, Lane, you already ordered it. So I'm gonna end up giving this to somebody. Probably my friend Brianna, because me and her are around the same size. We kind of like shake the same a little bit, but yeah. So I just picked up some more. This is a short set, which I got because, you know, I'm in love with tie-dye. Also, I'm overly obsessed with unicorn. So I got this for that. And also I got some other stuff up in here, which I'll probably do another video for y'all. But let me show y'all the star of what I was uber excited about. So Fashion Nova had that, what was it, 40% off, 50% off, whatever it was for Black Friday. And I have been wanting some knee-high boots. So I picked these babies up. I'm so excited to style them and wear them with some things that I purchased, as well as some stuff that was already in my closet. So I'm super excited about that. So I'll probably end up doing another Fashion Nova lookbook. I did do a full week of, I called it Dalana B's Fashion Week on Instagram. So if you guys have not seen that, go ahead and check that out. That was a few weeks ago where I put together a bunch of Fashion Nova outfits. It was a blazer edition. So if you like blazers and you want to know how to style them, go ahead and check that out for your girl. I also picked up another pair of boots, which I'm obsessed with as well. And it's like, it's chocolate, but I thought it was wine, but it's actually a chocolate color, which I'm not mad at. So these are like ankle booties, which I'm uber excited to style as well, because I don't have like a lot of boots. I don't have like a lot of heels in my closet. So like I told y'all, I am revamping. Like, I'm 31 now. I don't know what it is about me at 31, but I am 31 now, and I feel like I'm supposed to have staple pieces in my closet. So I am getting my woman on. Is that what it is? Getting my woman style on, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but oh girl, oh excuse me, that's not good. But yeah, I like these. I'm excited about these, and I think, I don't know how much I paid for them, but they were on sale. And then I also have some more boots in here, which I don't remember what they are. Some more, y'all know I've been into these 2-piece sets. And let me tell y'all something. When Fashion Nova has a sale, I automatically go to the sets first. Before I go to anything else, I go to the sets first. Reason being is because it's already on sale. And most times you're getting 2 or 3 pieces for the price of 1. So why not? So this is another set. And I probably got a bunch of sets in here. Let me show y'all this. I am so, listen. Y'all remember the movie Clueless? I might be telling my age right now, but I already told y'all I was 31, so I really don't care. This reminds me of, I think her name was Cher. I think it was. This reminds me of her style. Like, I'm absolutely in love with this. Like, this print, everything about it, I absolutely love it. It reminds me of Clueless, the 90s, as if. So yeah, I just had to pick this up. I actually have another one like this which I'm trying to figure out how I want to style. And I have some boots for that too. And now that it's cold outside and I can actually wear it, oh yes ma'am. So I'm gonna have a bunch of fashion posts for you guys. Actually I'm about to post one now at 6 o'clock. I think it's about 5:30ish. So I'm actually gonna post one now at 6 on my Instagram at DalanaB_. So check your girl out. Check out my fashion posts. I'm having a lot of stuff, y'all, that I'm trying to bring to you. I'm trying to revamp my content, just kind of revamp my brand, step it up a little bit. We're about to be in a whole nother year, so we gonna get this together, okay? Hey babes, so it is my lunchtime at work. I'm taking a quick break and I just wanted to check in really quick. So I filmed this video last night, but for some reason iMovie is not acting right, and I feel like it's trying to force me to buy the other program, which I had, but I don't know how to use it. Let me show y'all what it's doing. So let me see. It's like skipping. Let me see. I'm trying to get it to play. See how it's lagging? So I'm really trying to figure out how to get this to stop lagging like this. So this will probably be what most of my day consists of today, trying to figure out what's going on with the application, the program, and how I can get this video out for y'all. So I probably won't vlog much today. I probably won't do anything today besides figure out this application. So hopefully I can get day 7 and day 8 updated for you guys, or uploaded for you guys, because my plan was to have this yesterday, because today I was supposed to do something else for y'all. So hopefully I can get this figured out, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.